Hey guys, so this is one of those topics that a lot of people don't really like to talk about. A lot of people are on the fence about it. Most have kind of made their mind up. I just want to shed some light on why it's important that you soak your dentures every single night. But first, I want to thank Ivoclar Vivadent for sponsoring this video. Make sure that you check out their website, links below. It's www.morethanAdenture.com. Okay, so for a lot of people, including myself, the idea of being without your teeth for an extended period of time for anything other than going to the dentist to get a cleaning and a checkup, it makes you a little bit nervous. A lot of people struggle with it. It's something that they don't enjoy doing. I've heard a lot of people over the years stating that they never take their dentures out, and I'm going to tell you why that's not a good idea. For one, and this is probably the most important aspect, is that constant pressure on your gums is going to cause the bone to shrink faster. All of that pressure throughout the day is not allowing the blood to circulate properly, and that's what you need to ensure that your tissues are healthy and that the bone is healthy. So you have to give your mouth a break to allow the blood to circulate properly and keep those tissues and that bone healthy. You know, I get a lot of messages from people whose primary concern when it comes to dentures is that they're going to lose bone and that their face is going to change, and I'm always talking about certain lifestyle factors that contribute to that. This is one of those lifestyle factors. The next reason you need to take your dentures out to soak is because no matter how good you clean your teeth, you're not killing all of the bacteria. Dentures are porous. All of those little microscopic pores within your denture harbor bacteria, and the only way that you're going to properly get rid of that is by soaking them for an extended period of time. If you're not taking the proper steps to kill that bacteria in your dentures, you're setting yourself up for all kinds of different infections and diseases. People who wear their dentures overnight are more likely to have tongue and denture plaque, gum inflammation, and more likely to test positive for yeast in their mouth, like thrush. They also have higher levels of a certain protein in their blood that indicate that their body is actively fighting an infection. This is bad for so many reasons, and for a long time I was told that it didn't matter what time of day you soak your dentures, that, you know, as long as you're getting that 6 to 8 hours in, that you're good to go. That's not the case. During sleep you could be aspirating that harmful bacteria that could get into your lungs and cause pneumonia. Continuously wearing dentures also kind of inhibits the flow of your saliva, and at nighttime that's already happening. All of this can lead to a condition that's known as denture stomatitis, and it's where when you look at your tissues, they're red and they're inflamed. Another condition that kind of goes hand in hand with this is where you end up getting those painful, dry cracks at the corner of your mouth. Basically, your mouth is just not going to be at optimal health if you're constantly leaving your dentures in. There are a few instances where it is recommended that you leave them in overnight. One of them is especially with immediate dentures. When you first get your dentures, your dentist might say that you need to leave them in for the first or second night. Make sure that you check in with your dentist for clarification on that. The next one is that in certain situations, your doctor might recommend that you sleep with them in if you're at risk for things like sleep apnea. That's something that you should always consult with a doctor about. And I know, like, I get it. This is a sensitive topic. Like, I don't like being seen without my teeth either. And when you're married and you're sharing a place with somebody, it's not something that a lot of people enjoy doing. But my thing is, like, if you went through all of this and you made it to this point and you finally have restored your health and got your smile back, it doesn't really make sense to set yourself up for further complications. So when you get your dentures, make sure that you are very clear with your dentist on what the aftercare instructions are and what they're advising you to do. If you found this video to be helpful, make sure that you give it a like, subscribe to my channel so that you see more content like this. All of my social links are in the description box below, and I will see you guys again next time. Y'all take care.